place you up out your spot. I heard you was fucking in the bed though. I'm just saying though, I done heard about you.
Last day here, y'all. Check out. Enjoy this view. Jamaica, it's been nice. Go. So we are checking out. Ready to see my kids leaving. It's hot as hell and I got these clothes on because I'm dressed for Atlanta. But yeah, checking out. Definitely will miss this hotel. We stayed at the Riu Montego Bay. So yeah, it was very nice. So yeah. Anyway, I'll check in with y'all when we get to the airport or something. Yeah.
I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it hit on occasion for entertainment. Didn't even leave us at the house.
What's up, $1 Million Babes? I wanted to come and close out this vlog. I am tired as hell. Yeah, so I just got back home from the airport. We was stopped by Chick-fil-A, got the kids something to eat, and now I am home. I just literally unpacked my suitcase, y'all, because I'm one of those people I cannot stand my stuff in suitcases. About to wash my clothes. Yeah, I'm tired, but I'm gonna get it done, baby, because I don't feel like doing it tomorrow. So I came home, I got some packages, so I'm about to open these packages, y'all. But yeah, other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed this travel vlog, my birthday weekend, sad season, yeah. And until next time, y'all, stay beautiful, loves. Goodbye, and make sure to hit that bell, be notified when I upload. Thumbs this video up to see more videos like this as well. Yeah, and until next time, stay beautiful, loves. Bye, y'all. What's up, $1 Million Babe? So this is the look for today. Trying to see. I think my brown shades in my car. Yeah, but we supposed to have my daughter's birthday today, her party at Stars and Scrap, but she want to go to Urban Air. So my mom was gonna come down here, my sisters and stuff, but of course wake up is 9 damn degrees this morning, so they're just gonna stay home because there's no need for them to get on the road and it's that damn cold and it's Christmas Eve. So yeah, they was gonna come down here anyway to try to make it. So yeah, I just appreciate them for that. But yeah, so we just gonna go run a couple of errands, get out the house. I need to get my baby a haircut. His hair look a hot ass mess. So yeah, I'm trying to see if a barber is open today. Need to go taking them to she want to go to Urban Air, so let them jump a little bit. I order her a cake. I'm gonna show y'all the cake too. It's downstairs. It's another one. Since I got her 2 cakes and stuff since she couldn't have a party like she really wanted to. So yeah, what else did I do? And what else? I don't know, yeah, but I'll bring y'all along, honey. So yeah, yeah, so just stay tuned, view, rate, and subscribe, y'all. And until next time, love, stay beautiful, love. Bye, y'all. The cake that I got her is messing up on the damn side, so I was trying to take a picture, but yeah, it says happy birthday, and I just told him to get her a little pink cake. So yeah. So yeah, we are at Urban Air. It's cold out here. It's 9 degrees this morning. Birthday girl. Birthday girl. Come on.
Let's get it. a 16 passenger, this a G5, no, this not a Challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge, get coat seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek, drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. Damn, she took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she say she saying 3D. Wow. I go in the jungle and they got a coat, I bet I come out with a mean. I bet I do this shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Big, color stones in my infinity lane, and in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, cause that be my brother, we got the same roller, he matching me. Nah, for real.
Water on me like the sun of some carrots, some pointers. All these comers, I want fun. Me go gunners out the jungle. We buy it all, fuck a fronter. Fuck nigga, cake on me, no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gon' chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 3 vibe to the trappers. Trap it, nigga one shit. I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick, nigga made one wrong move, just popping. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby. It's crowded. Diamonds be dancing like Bobby. They dance. Don't touch it, dick like it be cocky. Don't touch it. Shroom and G-Sit the party. We geek it. Bitches gon' trend on the top. Keep trending. The way I pull up, I'ma pop it and none of these niggas gon' stop me. Pull up. Gone. Put that shit on, get a cup for the drip. I'm a motherfucking 5 kilo. Keep stacking your bank, gon' get bigger. Never would. I throw some shit on no nigga. On tape. Little nigga, don't play with these niggas. I see the big picture. We up on these niggas. The huncho, the one you gon' call on me, nigga. I got your back, you gon' follow me, nigga. When I get up, we gon' ball on these niggas. Fucking shit up, cause we beat out the system. Water on me like the sun of some carrots, some pointers. All these comers, I want fun. Me go gunners out the me no funnel. Cash, drop top feeling like stunner. Drop top, KD play no runner. We gon' chrome my wallet, smoke my pilot. Take 3 vibe to the trappers. Go, nigga one shit. I was outside just serving narcotics. Pay me that stick, nigga made one wrong move, just popping. Living on broke with the whole flooded out in the hotel lobby.
So y'all, we just leaving Urban Air, froze, cause my hands ashy. Oh Lord, but yeah, I had to get some lip. I left my lip gloss at home, so I had to look at hubby got some damn Aqua 4 lip chap in his car, so I had to put some lip chap on, baby, because I was looking hungry. I am hungry now though. But yeah, we did the membership. We did the membership, so when we come, we can basically come anytime, and all we have to do is pay $18 for her, and then we get the platinum, so we get everything. I think it's the platinum one, the one that you get everything basically, but yeah. So we gonna did that instead, and I basically paid for his ass for no reason, because he didn't want to do nothing. Dude, you ain't even want to do nothing. He want to eat chips, that's all he want to do. But it come with the meal, so they get the little pizza and chips, so that's good. We ain't had to pay for that. So yeah, but we about to go get us something to eat, baby. It's frozen out here. What's the temperature?
We can't see it.
Huh?
Say 28. But
28 degrees, but it feel like goddamn 7 degrees out here. But yeah, leave it Urban Air. So yeah, you had fun, boo? She didn't want to leave. You had fun? Toodle?
Yeah.
Yes, what? All right then, get it together. Yeah, I'll check back in with y'all later.
You thought I was feeling.
Yeah, we are in Wild Wing Cafe. Boo is asleep. Him is asleep. Man on stage up there performing. Yeah, I got quesadillas and spinach dip. This girl here wanted lemon pepper wings. The birthday girl. Tamia wanted pizza, cheese pizza, and he got the steak. What you got? Chicken and shrimp and fries.
Keep tripping on